I got a $10 no deposit bonus, and there is already withdrawal proof, as you can see it right here. And this is a legit no deposit bonus. You just need to trade one lot size to withdraw. So I'm going to be showing you how to go about it. But before I do, let's talk about the terms and conditions, okay? Yeah, so we're going to talk about the terms and conditions right now. Okay, so now this is the terms and conditions. So you can see only new clients can claim the bonus, and only one bonus per client account. As you can see, it's attempting too many accounts will disqualify you, and the bonus is usually credited to a specific account type. You can see the account type right there, which is the STP or the ECN TickTrader. Then you can see the grade 1, that is verification. You have to verify using your phone, okay? And for grade 2, you have to verify using your address documents, and a selfie is required. And you may need to claim the bonus within 3 months. Yes, that is 90 days. Okay, so you can see more and more terms and conditions, so you can just go through them. For the amount, the $10 bonus itself cannot be withdrawn or transferred. It's only the profit earned from it that can be withdrawn. Okay, so you can see the volume right here, just one standard lot size, okay, and so on and so on. So you can just go through all the terms and conditions to be needed to claim this account, and to also be needed to withdraw from this account. Okay, so after that, we're going to be going into the video right now. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is to click on get bonus. Then the link to this bonus will be in the Telegram channel, and the link to the Telegram channel will be in the description below. Okay, so that's where you're going to get the bonus. So once you're done doing that, you click on not yet a client. Then after that, we're going to click on begin application. Then you're going to accept all. Then you put your normal details, your name, your last name, and the rest. Okay, then you click on TickTrader. Then after that, you click on ECN Net. Then you click on continue. Yes, ECN Net, not the other one. So you click on continue. Then you click on I agree. Okay, so after this, it's going to show you a password and everything, so make sure you save it. So you're going to click on I agree right here. Then a password will pop out. Yes, this is it, your live account, so make sure you save it well. Okay, so the next thing to do is to download the app. Yes, though you can get it without downloading the app, but it will be easier if you download the app. So we're going to download it first. So after downloading the app, your login details will be sent to you. Then after doing that, you're going to verify. Yes, that's the next thing to do, to verify. Okay, so you're going to enter your verification code, and note that you cannot get the bonus if you are not verified. Okay, so you can verify using your ID. Okay, so this is the steps, this is how to verify. Then you also upload a file, that is your selfie. You take a selfie, then you upload your bank statements. Okay, so as you can see, my profile has been verified. Yes, so what's the next thing to do? If you have created the kind of accounts that I say you should do right from the beginning of this video, then you are going to have the $10, which you can see right here. Okay, so after that, the next thing to do is that what we can trade right here on TickTrader. Okay, we're not making use of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, so we're going to be trading right here. Okay, and to log in to TickTrader, we clicked on trade, and it took us to a place where we downloaded another app, which is FX Open app. As you can see, we have to download 2 apps. One is the normal FX Open app, and the other one is the FX Open TickTrader app. Okay, so you're just going to choose your server. So once you choose your server, it will be sent to your email. Yes, so you're just going to copy it and paste. You copy your ID and paste. Then you put in your login ID and your password. This is it right here. That's your account number. You copy it and paste, then you put your login ID and your password. Okay, so if you forget your password, you can simply reach out to support. So once you reach out to support, they're going to let you know how you can go about it. Okay, so this is me reaching out to support because I didn't remember my password. I forgot my password. So they're going to let you know how you're going to go about it. Okay, so once you're done doing all of that, then you're going to get your $10 no deposit bonus. Okay, so make sure you go and claim yours. It's still available. Okay, so if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Okay.